Good morning, church!
Morning!
By the way, ako dahil si Jenner Capado, sa mga wala kailang. So, first of all, gusto na ako magpasalamat sa opportunity to stand here in front of you all and maka-speak and share in behalf sa among family kung unsa ka visible sa tanan aspects ang Ginoo sa among kinabuhi. Gusto na ko i-share ang usa ka istorya nga duol kay sa mong kasing-kasing. How God helped and my family through some of the darkest, heaviest seasons of our lives. Daghan yun kay panahon nga halos dili na namo makaya o ako mismo di na ko makaya. But even in those moments when felt most broken, the Lord never let us go. And also our family, we carried burdens nga dili dali makita sa gawas. Pero grabe tayo ang gibati sa sulod. There were days nga murag kalibutan na mo mabungkag. Problems came one after another. Trials, financial problems, struggles, emotional pain, family misunderstandings, ug mga kabalaka nga dili na mo masulti sa uban. I myself reached a point where I felt so tired, so lost, so unsure and of what tomorrow would look like. Labi na kung mahulog ka nga ikaw ang breadwinner or ako jud mismo ang breadwinner sa among family. Kay like daghan kay expectations and dapat walay disappointments o failures na makita. So many people nga nag-witness ang among struggles na makaingon ko nga mao jud to ang major plot kung sa movie pa like dito jud ni na test. Dili na kayo na ako i-detail pagkasulti dili kay basig mahimong MMK or magpakailanman pa dili na magdrama-drama maghinakila. Shout out sa kumama o nakilang tao. Laban diha. Na ay mga gabiin nga mingaw kayo ang balay pero puno og luha ang among kasing-kasing. I would cry silently and ask God, Lord, asa naman ka? Kako na kaayo. And yet, even in that silence, God reminded me of His promise, ang akong life verse. Psalms 37:4. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Una, pagbasa na ko anino, kay murag giablihan sa Ginoo akong kasing-kasing. It was like He was saying, now, come back to me. Before I change your situation, let me change your heart. Trust me again. From that moment, I learned to surrender. Little by little, bihawan ako akong mga kahadlok. I learned to delight in the Lord, to spend time with Him, to worship Him even if I was hurting, to trust Him even when nothing made sense. O diha, nagsugod kong makakita sa iyang lihok. God did not remove all our problems overnight, but He began to provide in ways we never expected. Na ay mga tao nga iyang ginapadala to help us. Opportunities I never thought would come suddenly open. And most of all, God gave us peace. That deep, unexplainable peace na bisan pa og daghan gihapon ng problema, kabalo ka nga safe ka sa iyang mga kamot. Provision was not always big, but it was always enough. Sakto ra gyud permi, and every day, God was strengthening our family, bringing us closer, teaching us to forgive, to hope, o musalig sa inyong plano. Today, I stand here. I'm not saying our life is perfect. We still face trials. We still have struggles. But the difference is this. We no longer face them alone. The hand of God that carried me before is the same God hand holding me now. The same hand holding my family. Church, I share this testimony not to lift myself, but to lift His name. Because if God could sustain us through our darkest nights, He can also sustain you. If God could provide for us when we had nothing, He can also provide for you. And if God could heal the broken pieces of our hearts, He can do the same of yours. And so maulang to, I'll bring back all the glory and honor and praise to the Lord who never failed us. Not even once, but kayo salamat. Good morning.